hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday, guys. I'm Richard Quico. We're here at Supercar Sunday. I wasn't really planning to go to this, but I go to like every single one I can, so kind of might as well stop by. It's like super windy right now, but something special just showed up. It's that Ford GT in the flesh looks so good. I can't really find it on my camera, but let's go check out all the other cars. I think it's gonna stay there for a while. Turnout today is like really good, so I want to check out everything else that's here. There's an F430, it's a 720S. I don't know where it went though, and your other typical cars that show up here all the time. In the world is this? Looks like an old Pontiac. It's been modified.
No. A convertible too, huh? That is a wow. Four doors down for me. No.
Get the whole crew of Camaros here. Z28 looks so badass. A regular one. This one ZL1. Ooh, 720S.
Because of windows, I mean American.
We're still here with the Ford GT. This thing looks incredible. These gaps look so astonishing. we were able to catch a few revs and it going into track mode, just waiting for this thing to leave. We have a 458 Speciale here too with it. And in my opinion, I think this looks a lot better. A little bit better, not a lot better. But still, this thing looks so wicked. It's not too often that you see one of these out in the open like this. So this is like a huge treat. And why I'm kind of like waiting around until this thing leaves. It's like so windy though. What's crazy is that this is like right under the side mirror, but there's a gap right there. Wow. I did not even know that. And that's the floor right there. That's the floor. That's amazing. Oh my god, this thing is so crazy. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
He'll take you for a ride next time.
This thing looks so incredible. Oh my god. This is like every little kid's dream come true, and I'm a little kid. Thank you again! Oh my god, oh my god, thank you Malia, thank you Robert for letting me sit inside your Ford GT. That was incredible. Like, I was trying to contain my excitement during like the whole time I was in there, but I just couldn't hold it anymore. Wow, that car felt incredible to sit in. It's very low, it feels a little bit cramped, but the steering wheel looks so cool, and the paddles, oh my god, everything about the car just screams race car. We're gonna head home now. They're going off in the drive somewhere, so you know, I hope they stay safe on their journey. Yeah, they're at the Chevron over there getting gas or something. I have to head home. I have a ton of work to do, a ton of videos to put out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this episode, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.